Hey guys, welcome back to 22 Lima Romeo, where we focus on the competitive side of the rimfire world. Range fans, it's that time. We're trying out the Day at the Range Z Challenge. We're going to give this a go with the Voodoo 360, topped with the XTR Pro, and I'm going to put you guys in the driver's seat as I shoot this using the Trigger Cam 2.1. We're going to be shooting some Norma Match. Now, this is budget ammo, so I don't expect to shoot super tiny groups like, let's say, Tree Feller or Josh over at Pursuit of Accuracy. But I'm going to do my best, and hopefully this gun doesn't let me down. I'm actually a little bit nervous about this because this seems to be a pretty challenging challenge. So let's quit yakking. Let's put some bullets on paper and see how this goes. I'm going to have my trusty assistant give me a countdown from 3, 2, 1. I'll start off the gun. And hopefully I print some decent groups, even though we've got a relatively switchy headwind between like 3 and 8 miles an hour. But we're gonna give it the best shot we can. All right, trusty assistant, give me a countdown.
2, 1, engage.
Mag change. That's 5. Last mag. Time.
109.75.
109.75. Well, that definitely wasn't as fast as Josh over at Pursuit of Accuracy. But Josh is a better bench shooter than me probably. All right, that was tough. All right, guys. Well, there is the target. Not bad, not bad, not bad. We'll get this back to the house, give this a measurement, and get some groups written up on the sheet here, and hopefully I stack up to some of the best YouTube shooters out there.
As always, guys, thank you for watching. Be sure to visit Elijah's page at dayattherange.com and give the Z Challenge a try for yourself.